0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 1, discussion with a student.
A man meets a student and he talks with him. The discussion goes as follows.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. I am good. How about you?
Yes, I am good too, thank you. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Wow, Masha Allah. In which university do you study?
I study at Jamia Islamia.
Masha Allah, that is good. I have heard about it. It is a very famous university in India, isn't it?
Our university is very good, and it is very famous as well.
That is good. And your teachers, how are they all?
All of our teachers and professors are very kind. They are very good teachers.
Do your teachers like you?
Yes, of course. My teachers like me very much.
Why do your teachers like you?
My teachers like me because I'm a hard-working student, and I do my work on time, and when they ask any question, I raise my hand to reply to the question.
Do you think teachers like lazy students?
No. Teachers do not like lazy students at all.
Okay, that's true. Tell me if you respect your teachers or not.
Yes, of course, I respect my teachers from the bottom of my heart, as a student must give due regard to his teachers.
Well, I just want to know if you read English literature or not.
Yes. I read English literature with very great interest.
Do you like the Urdu language?
Yes, I like it for sure. I like the Urdu language very much. That is why I have also memorized some Urdu poems.
Good. Mashallah, I am very happy to hear that. Could you please read out any poems in Urdu for me?
Yes, why not? I just read it out. Lab pe ati hai duwaban kai tamana meri lab pe ati hai duwaban kai tamana meri. Zindage shama ki surat ho kuda yaya meri.
Masha Allah. This is a very good poem. I enjoyed it a lot. Who wrote it?
Yes, this poem has been written by Allama Iqbal.
Okay. All right, Mr. Masha Allah, I'm glad to meet you. Now you should go to the university. We will meet again, inshallah.
Okay, thank you. See you inshallah.
Bye.
Bye.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.